You accidentally discovered time travel.
From the author of Jurassic Park and the director of Lethal Weapon, Timeline.
Everything you could wish for this Christmas at HMV with Star Sailor and Silence is Easy, their new album. Includes the singles Silence is Easy and Born Again. I was born again, I was born again. Everything you could wish for this Christmas with Star Sailor and Silence is Easy. Out now at HMV.
Come on, Roxy! Come on! Come on! Come on! Whoa. Hey! What's this all about, 118? It's our new promise, 118. If we give you the wrong number, you get your mummy back. I like my mummy, 118. I love my mummy, 118. Hooray for mummies!
There's an art to making people feel good.
What are you going to buy chocolates for?
Some for my mum, and some for my sister, and my uncle, and I guess some for you as well.
And there's an art to making great chocolate.
There you go, Frankie.
Spend £15 at Thorntons right now and you'll get a free box of special festive chocolates. Thorntons, the art of the chocolatier.
Beat, the new fragrance from Rimmel London.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
In the bliss-made way.
Have yourself a soulful Christmas with the Blind Boys of Alabama and our friends.
The Beatles, Let It Be, Naked. A brand new release featuring the band's cut from the original sessions. Includes a fly-on-the-wall bonus disc. A unique insight into the Beatles at work. This is Let It Be as it was meant to be. Let It Be, Naked, the album, out now.
Led Zeppelin. Unseen, unheard, unearthed. Double DVD or triple CD. Out now. Be Arnold Schwarzenegger. Be the Terminator in Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines, the game. For Game Boy Advance, Xbox, and PlayStation 2. With amazing fight modes and original movie footage featuring the T3 cast.
It is time.
Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines, the game.
This is the very best of Cher. An incredible album featuring all her smash hits. Packed with pop classics. An outstanding collection. Spanning her award-winning career. An unparalleled global superstar. The very best of Cher. It's out now.
This is an American tradition. It's an American responsibility to be armed.
How'd you get a gun? I stole mine. Where'd you steal it from? I stole it from a friend of mine. I sleep with a 44 Magnum under my pillow.
Smith & Wesson 9mm.
12 gauge. M16.
At home.
Yep. The television premiere of Bowling for Columbine, Saturday at 9 on 4.